It's acid.
When the timer runs out, it rains acid.
Acid? What?
We have to hurry. We have to find the keys to the bodega. If we could just get through this slot, I think it's the way out.
May 26th. It's 0526 again, but we need a key.
No, but she's holding a key.
Yeah, but how does that help us?
We have a minute left.
Wait, hold on. I'll always be watching over you, and she's an angel, right? Wait, there's a cloud above her, so we climb it, right? We climb it.
Look, there's a ladder on the fire escape.
Okay, I'll climb it.
Did you see anything?
Why is there so many plants?
Come on.
I found a key. It's stuck to the railing.
Hurry! We only have 30 seconds left!
Come on, Brianna, you can do it!
I got it! Here, Cass! Got it!
Okay, try. Go. Hurry, get down here! It's about to rain again!
Okay, left! It's another locked door! The rain stopped. Let me reset the timer.
Conservation activists have started a chain reaction throughout the city. Rising water costs, residents are turning to urban rainwater collection.
Water collection. They wanted to collect the rain.
Conservation activists
Look, another awning came down.
started a chain reaction.
Okay, chain reaction. There's a chain on the phone booth. All right. They want us to answer the phone. If we collect the rain, we can use the acid to burn through.
Yeah, that could work.
How do we contain acid? Wait, don't touch that.
No, it's fine.
You're gonna burn your hands.
I'm fine. I don't feel it. Hydrochloric acid burns through everything except a certain kind of plastic. Just look for anything that hasn't melted.
Okay. Everything's melted, even the awnings.
We only have 20 seconds.
Shit.
There's a ketchup bottle here. There's a ketchup bottle hasn't melted.
Okay. BMP. Polymethylpentene. Yes, this is it. Acid won't melt this.
We didn't have much time. Let's go!
Hurry! Get under the awning. Hurry!
It worked. It worked.
It's working! It's working!
Go, answer it! Go!
Hello? Here, let me try it.
Hello?
There's nobody there.
When the weather turns, give us a call. It must have something to do with the cab.
It's not working.
Zoe, what are you doing?
You stay in there, okay? There's not enough room for all of us.
Come on, let's try.
We're missing something. I don't know.
You can't stay out there,
We
Zoe.
don't really have a choice.
No, we can't do it like this.
We can't.
Use it!
Is she okay? Poncho! Pick up the phone and put it back down! What? Pick up the phone and put it back down! No, pick it up on the third ring! Third ring? Okay. Fine. They see the cat! The door! Ready? Go. Let's go. Go. Come on. We won't open. They walked in. Open the door. Get back to the booth. No way. Try the front door. Try the front door. The booth. They're cutting us off. Zoe, it's locked. I can't get it open. Come on, open. It won't open. Try the front. Try the front. I can't. No.
Brianna, listen to me. Don't give him satisfaction, okay?